Hi, Jean-François here, Product Information Specialist at MEC. I'm here to settle the debate whether we should fold our tents or stuff them. So here we go. Stuffing your tent will have the advantages of creating folds in different places every time you store your tent. Folding your tent will essentially create the same folds at the same place over and over again, which will affect the waterproofing in the long run. So that's why we want to choose stuffing over folding whenever possible. All right, so when stuffing your tent, you want to start with the tent fly. So I'm just going to grab the top of the fly and start stuffing it. The second step is the tent body. Before stuffing your tent, you want your tent to be as dry as possible. So that might mean while you're having breakfast in the morning, lay your tent in the sun, making sure that most of the moisture is out of there. All right. Now comes the time to store the pegs and the tent poles. First thing we're going to do, tent poles all the way at the bottom of the bag. I'm going to cinch that. So we're just going to stuff that along the side. So you want to have your hand protect the tent and just slowly push it down against the side of the bag. Last step, the pegs. Just fold the fabric, use a little bungee cord, and put that right on top. That's it.